Hi everyone, welcome back to Super Coder Kid. I'm Eva, and today we're diving into two super handy scratch blocks. Go to front layer and go to back layer. Plus, I'll show you how to make a cake sprite change size as it moves between layers. Let's get started. Here we are in Scratch with our default cat sprite. For this tutorial, I'm going to add a second sprite, a delicious cake. First, let's make sure the cake starts behind the cat and is small. Next, we want the cake to come to the front and grow when the green flag is clicked. So I'll add a go to front layer block right after the initial setup, followed by a set size to 200% block. This way, the cake will move in front of the cat and grow bigger. Now, when we click the green flag, the cake will go from being small and behind the cat to growing big and appearing in front. Let's see it in action. Right now, the cake is small and behind the cat. When we click the green flag, watch it come to the front and grow. Now, we want the cake to go back and shrink when we press the space bar. I'll use the when space key pressed block and attach a go to back layer block and a set size to 50% block. This will make the cake move behind the cat and become small again. Let's see what happens when we press the space bar. Right now, the cake is big and in front. When I press the space bar, it moves behind the cat and shrinks to 50% of its size. Let's put it all together. When we click the green flag, the cake grows and comes to the front. When we press the space bar, it shrinks and moves to the back. It's a simple way to add dynamic effects to your Scratch projects. And that's it. You've learned how to use the go to front layer and go to back layer blocks in Scratch, and how to change the size of your sprites for a cool effect. And that's it. You've learned how to use the go to front layer and go to back layer blocks in Scratch, and how to change the size of your sprites for a cool effect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments